Okay, so yep, I believe we are live now. Okay. Hello everyone. Very good evening. Can someone please confirm if I'm live? If you guys can hear me? Hello. Hi everyone. I'm just coming quick live to give updates on all the new things which we have launched recently under SelectorsHub. Thanks, Vinay. Thanks for the confirmation. Hi, Ajiz. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining. Hi, Mohammed. Hi, Marco. Hi, Alexa. Thanks for joining. Thanks, everyone. Hi, Kiran. Okay. Hi, Saranya. Hi, Sudhir. Great. Okay. So I guess we can start now. Any question, guys, for me? This month we have launched so many things. How many of you have started, by the way, or checked out the test case testing daily, the new product which we launched just day before yesterday, just 2 days back we have launched that. Hi, Aswin. Okay, so first let me give you guys the updates, and then if you have any question, feel free to ask. So here under Selectors Hub, we have launched a couple of things this month. The very first thing which we launched is Test Case Hub 2.0. Those who are not aware about Test Case Hub, let me tell you guys, this is a repository of test cases where you can find the test cases for all the functionalities. And here, whole community is contributing. Like you people are writing the test cases, and the community itself is reviewing the test cases. So here you can check out the. Let me open it from here. Yeah. So okay, sometimes it goes slow. Testcasehub.net. Yeah. So this is the website. This is the test case hub, and this is absolutely new UI here, where you can search for the test cases of for any functionality. I just wrote login. Like here, you can check out all the available scenarios, like for which all scenarios right now test cases are available in the test case hub. Then here you can find out the people those who are contributing in the test case hub. And yes, of course, like you can also join and you can also start contributing. You just have to sign up here and you can start writing the test cases here. And here you can find out the list of the reviewers. So once your 100 test case got approved, like got published, then you will automatically become the reviewer here. So lots of great updates are there in test case hub 2.0. Please do check it out here. uh, this test case hub. This will help you guys a lot to get the test cases. Here you can find like total test cases, how many are published under request. So request all of you to check out this amazing product. This will really help you guys a lot. And whenever you have to test anything, like you will find the test cases here and you can get going from there. Okay, you have multiple options, like you can download, copy the test cases. You can write the test cases if you feel any one of them is missing. You can also request for any particular functionality if you feel that okay, this particular functionality test cases are not available here, so that you can find. Cool. So this is test case hub, and this is the new version. Earlier, yes, there was test case hub, and now we have recently added a lot of new features here. And if you want to learn like which all new features has been added, so you can just click here and see which all new features has been added in test case 2.0. So these all are the features which we have added, and a lot more things we have been added in test case hub. Then this month we have launched in SelectorsHub Pro, we have launched Selectors Healing, which is another great feature. So like if you want to check out what is there in Selectors Healing, so you see that Selectors Healing is another great innovation with the help of which you can verify all your selectors in one go. Just in one click you can verify all your selectors. So that is Selectors Healing. Here in Selectors Healing feature, what you have to do, you just copy your complete script and paste it in SelectorsHub Pro tab, and it will verify all your selectors like this. Like here you have, let's say at find by something like this. So you go here, you copy your complete script, copy and paste it here, irrespective of whether your script has XPath, cssSelector, ID, name, etc. It will verify all of them. Let me take an example where it will have all those like XPath, link, class name, ID, everything is there. You copy this, paste it here in uh, and submit. You see that it is fetching all the values and showing which all got changed, which are zero matching node and which are one matching node. So quickly you can just fix which are zero matching node. So this feature is available in Pro version. In Selectors Hub free version community edition, we have this XPath healing where you can verify all the XPath in one go. So that is the new feature, new innovation which we have launched, added this month in Selectors Hub Pro and in Selectors Hub free version. Any questions so far? Anyone? Any question? No question? And one more, another update, guys. I'm planning to host the Selectors Hub meetup in Hyderabad this month. Not this month, like 10th of December. So I'm looking for the space or venue. Like if someone in Hyderabad, someone joined from Hyderabad, if you guys, if you would like to host this meetup in your office, so please do connect with me, and it is really required. So once we finalize the venue, then we'll announce for the meetup, and then we'll go from there. Also, like if any one of you there on the call want me to host a workshop for your team, feel free to connect with me. In Bangalore, I can come down to your office and then host a free workshop for your team. If you want, like online, I can host a free workshop on all these tools and innovations under Selector stuff for your team, and this will really help you team a lot to improve the productivity at least by 30 to 40%. So yeah. Now next big thing which has been launched this month, that is test case, that is testing daily. So here this is the one. Okay, before moving on, there is a question from Marco. Let me take this. What your case hub is unique and what is main pros and cons from your side? Why to choose? Okay, so this is absolutely unique, Marco. Like this is a kind of test case repository. This is a test case repository where you can find, like, let's say you have 5 member team. One will be 5 year experience, one will be 10-year experience, and not everyone will be having the same similar kind of experience or expertise in any particular functionality. Even if you are doing the testing today for a feature and you do after 3 days, you will not be able to cover same scenarios, same test cases. And definitely, like, there are always chance that there is someone better than us out there in the market. So can we have a common place where everyone is contributing test cases and writing the test cases, and we can just go directly go there and pick up those test cases and like test our functionality without, like without having this fear that we haven't done the testing of this particular functionality, we don't have expertise on this. Like here you see that uh, like for export, let's say someone has not done the export feature testing, someone has not done the email download files, so all those, for all those things you will find the test cases here. And of course, like, this is evolving a lot, and you can see that who has written the test cases, who has reviewed the test cases. So this way you will be having this confidence that okay, this person has written these test cases, and this you can always check out the profile of that person, that who is the person who has written these test cases. So you will be having a confidence, okay, these test cases are good, or how good these cases are. And of course there is a functionality of upvote and downvotes. So yeah, right now there is like not much data, but soon as it grows and as community get involved in this is going to have like more interactive, and it is going to be more fruitful. Cause I don't see any cons there. Like all are the pros, because this is absolutely free community product. It is a single page application. It's a kind of repository. You come and search. What it is going to harm you? So nothing. It is going to harm you. So this is all like win-win situation for uh, for the community, and this is all like everything is done by the community here. So you can see that who are the people who are writing the test cases, who are the people those who are reviewing the test cases. So this all you guys are doing. So this is like community product. I hope, Marco, I was able to answer your question. Okay, next thing is the testing daily. How many of you have in fact tried this testing daily? By the way, yeah, before coming to this testing daily, I just wanted to let you know, Test Case Hub is a single page web application which you need not to install. It doesn't require any installation. You just have to open, and you can just use it. You can search for the test cases. Uh, Can we export test shoot and test scenarios or import them from other tools? From other tools, you cannot do right now import, because we don't want someone to upload like complete Excel file, because in that case it becomes like really tedious task, really difficult for people to review. So initially, right now we are adding a feature of like uploading bulk test cases, but right now we are preferring that one used to write it like by hand, so that will be that way. It will be having more values and more refined test cases basically. What kind of workshop you can facilitate? Okay, so I can provide all the details. Like, I guess, let me just show you what kind of workshop it is. So basically, in the workshop, I will be teaching all the best practices of QAs. Like, you can use these tools. What all tools are there under Selectors Hub? How you can make the best use of these free tools, and how your team can improve their productivity. So here you can register for the workshop, and you will find all the details like what all things will be there in this workshop, what all new innovations are there, how you guys are writing the automation script, doing the manual testing, so how that can be improved, because for each and everything we have something innovative product like SelectorsHub, Test Case Studio, Test Case Hub, and now there we have the testing daily as well. So lots of things are there, how these things can help your team to improve their productivity. So that's what I can teach you, and how to write the better selectors, how to write like optimized automation script, all those things will be there. Okay, any more questions, guys? Anyone out there who have tried testing daily yet? No one tried testing daily? Okay, so let me put the question on other way. How you get the updates of testing, like how you keep yourself updated with the testing news, like what all blogs have came this week in testing, what experts are talking about in testing, what are the new tools, technologies are available or came launched this week in the testing space, what all new tutorials came on YouTube for testing. So do you guys like get these updates, or how you get these updates basically? Okay, Srisa, medium mostly. Yep. Yes. So absolutely, like we have Medium, we have like Reddit, YouTube, lots of platforms are there, but it becomes like really impossible kind of thing that you can open every day these platforms to get this information. We cannot open every day like Medium. How many of you open every day? It's like almost impossible. Reddit is another big platform where lots of developer and tester community, a huge community is there, where people talk about like uh, testing, about testing tools and other stuff. Similarly, on Medium and YouTube these days is like one of the most popular platform where lots of great tutorials and great content is there. But every platforms has its own distraction as well at the same time. Like if you go on Medium, you don't get only testing feed, you get a lot of other feed as well. In Reddit also, and I mean also at the same time, it is not possible to open every time again and again. Same for the like YouTube. Once you you start watching a tutorial on YouTube or something, it becomes really hard that you don't get a distraction. Most of the time, it happen end up happening this end up happening that we start watching some other music videos or anything else like trailer of movies or teaser. Lots of other distraction is there. But still, of course, like YouTube is one of the best platform these days to learn the things. So how can we make sure that without opening all these platforms and uh, without any distraction, without any extra any extra effort, how can we get all these testing feed, like latest testing feed, which can keep us updated with all from all the platforms, like what came on LinkedIn, what came on Medium, what came on Reddit, what new came on YouTube. So for that, this tool we have created, Testing Daily, and launched just like 3 4 days back. We have launched. I guess it was launched on Thursday evening. So Friday and Monday, and today is Thursday. Sorry, today is Tuesday. Within 2 days of within 2 working days, we it has the highest number of active users, 1,000 active users today it has. So those who haven't tried it yet, please give it a try. Testing Daily it is. This is a basically a tester's homepage, very simple and one of the most simple plugin out there. To start with, what you have to do, you just have to install it in your browser. That's all. After that, whenever you will open, you see that there are 1,000 plus active users, and it was just launched last week. Now, after installing it, whenever you will open new tab, you will automatically get the feed here. Like as you open new tab, you get the feed here. So, and of course, like whenever you have to open a website, you always click on here plus, and then you open, let's say you are opening google.com, or you are opening twitter.com, anything. So that you keep doing. It is not asking you to stop. It is not stopping you to from doing that. So you can keep doing that. But before that, like before you jump into that website, you will get something, like your eyes will get some feed from here. Like every time this will show you some new feed, like your from this is from Ministry of Testing, like your weekly testing news. So you can just go click on read article, and you go if you are interested, and you will see that what all new things came in testing. Or if you just wanted to open it here, you just click here, and then you will see that okay, what this is all about. And you can see that what discussion is happening here. In fact, like in testing daily, you can also discuss, and you can upvote, other stuff is there. And here you can see that what all new tutorials and other stuff has came in the market, what is happening there in meet Reddit. You can just click and read it here. And then if you wanted to read on Reddit, you can click on this read article. What new tutorial, like this is from test scale, this is from some other platform, so all from all the platforms. And you can just keep scrolling, you will keep getting on new things. Like Naveen Automation Lab has added this tutorial, uh, as that Paman is talking about API testing. So all these feed, you will get it here. You just keep scrolling, and you will keep enjoying about the latest feed about the from the testing space. So this is going to be really helpful. You can click here, like you will see that okay, this popular, what is popular, like here you see that okay, Rex YouTube tutorials are coming here. So whatever is happening around, like Lambda test is has recently announced this, did this webinar, like voices of community with WebDriver creator Simon and Manoj. So all these feeds, you will get it here, and you will keep getting these information, and you will keep enjoying. You just keep on scrolling, and you will keep getting the feed. Here, if you click on popular, you get that okay, what's popular right now out there, what people are reading more, what people are having discussion. So you can see that upwards for that particular article which is there on testing daily. You can see, check out the discussion, what discussion is happening around there. So all these feed, you will get it here. You can also see which is most upvoted, which is best discussion. You can search for any particular block, like let's say you want to search for, let's say, git action, something like that, anything you can search here. If that is not there, then it will not show, of course. Then you can also check out like Selenium or anything, whichever feed will be available here, it will go, it will search and show you. So this way you will be updated with all the testing feed. But also there's like new another grid view is also available. Like if you don't like the list view, you have the grid view. And then there are like lots of feature available. Like whenever you open next in new tab, this is, you will see the feed. But if you don't want to see the feed, you can pause it as well. Like let's say you want to pause it for 5 minutes or 1 hour, you can pause that as well. Just wanted to let you know, guys, that it is not a bug. Like sometimes some people have felt that okay, this is a bug there in testing daily, that whenever I'm opening, it is every time opening the same page of testing daily. Why it is opening the same page? So this is the main feature, the feature of testing daily, that when you open a blank new tab, it will open with this new feed, and whatever like website you want to open or search something, that always there. So you can just keep you just start typing, and then you can open your website. So this is just like in place of opening blank tab, it is opening, it is giving you the testing feed. It is something like you must have seen on Edge browser. If you see that in Edge browser, whenever you open new tab, it shows this feed, right? Like it shows this feed every time. But whatever website you want to open, that you open then. So similarly here, whenever you will open new tab, it will show you some feed, and then you can just open your website, or you can start your work. So this is testing daily. You just have to install it in your browser. You go here in SelectorsHub website, you will find the testing daily, or you just Google for the testing daily, and now you will get the feed there. You will get the testing daily extension there. So you open and install it. I will really recommend that. Please watch it, this tutorial, which is available on SelectorsHub YouTube channel, also here in Chrome Store. So please watch this once before start using it, because when you will watch this once, whenever you use any tool, I will highly recommend that at least watch the tutorial which are provided by the creator or from the team, so that you make the best use of the tool. Yeah, so now let me take some questions here. If you guys have any question, feel free to ask. Kapil, do we have a mobile app for testing daily? Right now we don't have, but yes, it's in development and very, very soon you will get this. Abdul, thank you very much for such weapons. Thank you. I'm so glad. I will just request you guys, feel free to write the article or blog on these tools if you want. You can share it in your network with the community so others get to know about these amazing tools. Because you see that in such a short span of time, like just in 2 days, it cost thousand. It becomes the part of 1,000+ testers' life. So yeah, this is amazing and very, very helpful. Please do share testing daily in your network, SelectorsHub, and other tools out there in SelectorsHub. Srisa, will testing daily make browsing slow? Of course not. Of course not at all. It is not at all. It is going to perform. It is not going to cause anything, because you see that you open this is different thing. It will start loading whatever, but when you open that is like different thing. If this extension is going to cause any performance issue, Chrome will not allow us. You see that Chrome has we got already verified batch here, and you can also just check it out here, like it runs offline. We follow all the best practices of Chrome Store. You see that we don't save any data, we don't sell any data under privacy practices, so it's absolutely safe and secure. How can I contribute in enhancing the existing tools or new tools in SelectorsHub? So yes, of course, you all can contribute in SelectorsHub. You guys can start writing the blogs. You can contribute in Test Case Hub. Right now, you can start reviewing the test cases, writing the test cases over there. And there's always a feedback. And in every tool, there is a feedback option, suggestions there. You guys can suggest. You guys can like recommend any feature, or you can also do the testing of any of all the tools. And you see that here, like if you open any of these SelectorsHub tool, like let's say for testing daily, so you see that here under feedback you will see that lots of people are already contributing here, and issues they are like reporting. They are telling that okay, this is not good, that is not good, this can be fixed, this can be improved. So you can check out all the repo of all the tools here. You will see that how people are contributing and how discussions are happening for all these tools. Please share some useful website for enhancing Selenium knowledge. Yes, so here I will recommend all of you that this is another great innovation, this practice page. So do try to automate this page with Selenium or whichever automation tool you feel that you wanted to learn. If you are able to automate, like if you are able to enter value in each and every field of this page, and you are able to click on these links or whatever there in this page, if you are able to automate this page, then you can consider yourself an expert in UI automation. Trust me, this is one of the most complicated web page which has all the most complex scenarios out there in UI automation. And most of the trainers use today this page to teach their student, to practice. Interviewer use this page to take the interviews as well. So this is amazing page. This has been designed from the with this idea that you will whenever you want to enhance your knowledge, Selenium knowledge, or any UI automation knowledge. So please try to automate this page and you will learn a lot from this page. Ajit. Yep. So this is practice page. Any other questions, suggestions? Yeah. So that is pretty much from my end, guys. If you have any question, feel free to ask. I'm here for another 5 minutes. No question. Kapil, I would like to contribute. Sure, Kapil, we can connect separately on this. Right now, it is not available like for the bug fixing of the source code. So first, I we highly encourage to the people that first you start contributing on the front end side of the product, so that you get the knowledge of the products. Once you will be contributing on that, and we feel that okay, this person can have the product knowledge, and now he can start contributing on the code sides. So please first contribute on these tools, like whatever possible out there. When we will feel that okay, now you have the product knowledge and you are expert in the kind of functionality, then of course we can share the code, and then you can start helping on the code side. Any feedback, any questions? Okay, so no more questions, guys. Okay, so there's one question. Currently, we can get locator for individual elements on web page using SelectorsHub, but can we have some feature which allows user to select multiple elements and it gives user a common locator for that? Yes, there is a feature as well for this already. So you can like generate selectors XPath for multiple elements in one go in SelectorsHub. Like you just right click and open. And I will also request all of you that please watch the video tutorial on SelectorsHub YouTube channel for all these tools, because many of you are not aware about all the features of these tools which can help you guys a lot to save a lot of time. So here you see that under SelectorsHub there's a feature, click to generate multiple selectors in XPath. Now you start inspecting elements and you see that here it is generating selectors in XPath for each and every element. Like here for this products, you see that it has generated XPath, cssSelector, class name, link text, products, tag name. Same for all these elements. So you just keep inspecting all these elements and you will see that selectors are getting generated. You just inspect element one by one. And in fact, in Pro version, this is next level. This feature is next level. You click on this palm and select this inspector and you see how fast it is. You just keep on inspecting multiple elements as you want for whichever element you want to generate, and you will see that here for XPath and selectors are generated for all the elements. Now if you want with command, you turn on this and you see that you just copy and paste it in your code like this. Boom, yeah, the complete script is ready. So yes, this feature is already there, Ujjwal. I hope that answer your question. Any more questions, guys? Okay, there are some more questions. Uh, is there an okay from Srisa? Is there any other payment mode to buy Selectors Hub Pro like UPI? No, Srisa, this is subscription based, so you will have to means from the Stripe you will have to use the card only, and we highly recommend that you don't take it from your card. You can take the free trial and then you can ask your company, because this is just the, I mean basically the pro version is almost free. It is not even a coffee cost, so for your company it is just nothing, not even peanuts. So this is almost free. We have to keep the pro version so that like we can keep running other free products, because we have so many free products out there. How about for Angular website? Yes, yes, of course, like Selector Sub and all the tools under Selector Sub umbrella supports the Angular applications. So you open any Angular application, it will work. So basically, let me just answer this way. Irrespective of any technology, doesn't matter in which technology your application is developed or built, if you are able to open that in web browser and that has DOM, then in that case Selector Sub or any tool under Selector Sub umbrella will work there. If it doesn't work, that means there is some issue. You can always reach out to me for that. Yeah. Any more questions, guys? Okay, so that's pretty much from my end, friends. And if you have any question, any feedback, you can always reach out to me. And in Selector Sub, you can always raise the ticket. So you will find all the details on Selector Sub website. Just explore a little bit here and there, and in the tools, always there. Okay, let me take this question. Will selector sub allows me to copy these locators alone, excluding the Selenium command? Yes, yes, of course. Like you can copy these just locator value. Not, it's up to you whether you want to copy the, whether you want to copy with command or without command. By default, it used to generate without command. Like let me just show you. So Kapil, are you using selector sub like already, or this is first time you're like having the experience? So you just click here and the value is copied. So you can see, you can paste the value. But if you want with command, you can turn on the command from here, and now you can copy with command. So this is up to you with what command you want to copy. You can also choose the command, different command like add, find, by, or cwrite. So whichever command you are using, so you can choose that. Yes. Any question on testing daily, guys? Because I see like lots of people have, in fact, like just let me show you. I was surprised, like many people just raise this issue on testing daily that it is getting open every time whenever we are opening the new tab. So that is a kind of like the main feature of the tool. So that is the reason I recommend people that please watch the tutorial before raising any bug, so that you understand what the product is. So here, like testing daily page, plugin landing page. Tab got duplicate if the user add another tab in the Chrome browser. So this is the functionality of the product. The main feature itself is the product, and now someone has raised as an issue. So I will highly recommend that please watch the tutorial before raising any kind of like major bug, so that you understand the functionality of the product. So testing daily is very simple. You just open new tab and you get the feed. If you you just continue whatever you are doing. If your eye catch some new news out there in the testing, that's well and good enough for you to keep updated yourself about the testing, what's happening in testing around the world. That's the idea about testing daily. Okay, great. So I guess all sorted. And then thank you so much for joining, everyone. Thank you everyone for joining. So that's pretty much from my end. Hope you all get some good insights. And if you have any question, feel free to reach out to me anytime on SelectorsHub, live chat, Slack channel. Everything is there. You just have to little bit explore here and there. Yeah. So thank you. Thanks everyone for joining. Bye bye and have a great evening. Good day. Bye.